is Nadia, and I'm a sales consultant over at Steele Hyundai on 3625 Kempt Road. And today I'm going to be showing you the super fun 2021 Hyundai Veloster N. Alright, we're going to start off by taking a look at the exterior. So first off, we're going to look at the N exclusive front grille with the N badging. It looks absolutely gorgeous. You also get LED headlights and daytime running lights. Alright, now coming along the side, these are your 18-inch alloys which come with Pirelli high-performance tires. Also along the side is that beautiful red N exclusive side molding that is also featured on your front bumper as well. Taking a look back here, you have your N exclusive 2-tier spoiler with your N badging as well. And of course you have your performance exhaust, but I know that in this case, hearing is believing. The Veloster N comes with a 2.0 turbocharged engine. It's available in a manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic with paddle shifters. This gives you 275 horsepower with 260 foot-pounds of torque. Let's move on and take a look at the interior. One thing that I wanted to point out, a very cool feature of the 2021, is that the N on your seats actually illuminate. Down here is your leather-wrapped shift knob, and also notice that you have the N badging on there as well, and you also have your controls for your heated seats and your heated steering wheel. Let's take a look at our 8-inch touchscreen display. There's no shortage of features here. You get features like navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, BlueLink, and more, but let's take a look at N mode. So here you have all of your different gauges, your oil temperature, your torque gauge. And now here's how you access N custom mode. Here you can literally create your own drive mode. You can tune it however you want, how tight your suspension and steering is, how loud you want your exhaust to be, and more, so it's a pretty sweet feature. You get push button start keyless entry, and taking a look at your leather wrapped steering wheel, notice that you have wheel mounted controls for Bluetooth and cruise control. You also have wheel mounted drive mode select buttons, so on the left you have your normal drive mode and you can switch from normal, eco to sport. And take a look on the right here, this is your N drive mode, so you can use their preset N drive mode settings, or you can completely customize it. This is what I was showing you earlier. This is just how you engage it here. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. And again, my name is Nadia. You can call and ask for me at Steele Hyundai at 902-454-1000.